Academy. Welcome back to the 50th session of Dance with Pathshala Sutradhar. So today we are going to dance in an Assamese fusion song. Not only one, not only two, but 7 trendy songs. So let's begin. Okay, so let's start the first part. We will start from the first position. You have to imagine that you are coming out of a house and you are looking at the weather. It's really very beautiful. It's raining outside. Okay, so let's start. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you have to throw the raindrops out. Yes, 5 and 6 are 1 and 2. Okay, after that you have to push 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once again I am doing that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to look at my legs. At my foot position, this is pointed legs and this is flex, but we are using the point, okay? So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again pointed legs and 4. And then again you have to make the connection with the weather. And then hands down. And again left and right. Try to hold the expression along with the attitude. Okay, don't miss the attitude. Left and right. So now let's try with music. Music please. Next part. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The most beautiful part of this song. Okay, do it carefully and then I will take my right leg out and left leg out and I will turn. Make one turn or you can do 2 turns as you wish. Whatever you want to do, you can do 1 or 2 turns. So let me do it once again for you. So this is the turn, right hand up and left hand in the back side. Then we will take the position down for the next step. And then 1 and 2. Again turn, pointed legs and turn. And 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The most famous step, which is red ray, that is the moonwalk. I think you know that. So let's do it once again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After that, you have to move your body and you have to touch the floor. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pointed legs. 5 and 6. 7 and 8 and. Okay, this is keep your attitude here. 8 and. Okay, you have to keep the attitude and also the emotion. So let's try with music. Music please.
জলারে গান শুনিছানে পক্ষীৰ কলতান গছে বনে বতাহৰ ধেমালি
Isn't it nice? Yes, the next part is also really very nice. It's Alokananda. Let's start. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy. You can do it. Right, left, again right, and second position. And then right, left, up, and down. Once again, right, left, up, and down. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then turn 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So now here is one point I have to say. The music is really very beautiful, but you have to do the music and the dance together with your own emotion, okay, with your own feelings. So try to match the song with the steps. Okay, so after that you have to look right and left, and again right, left, down, down with attitude. Okay, so let's try with music. Music please.
গছে বনে বতাহৰ ধেমালি
আগলি বতাহে খৰালে চুপহি কাজলি জপা দুচকুৰ পতা
অসম আমাৰ ৰূপহী গুণৰো নাই শেষ. Okay, so Assam is mostly associated with farming. So I have added some steps of farming. So look at it carefully. Legs together. 5, 6, 7. Start. Right out, left in, right in. Okay, look at it carefully once again. Right out, left out. Now again the left one. Left in, right in. And drumsticks hands. Left in, right in. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now look at my right leg out. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I think you can understand the step. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think you can understand, so I am not explaining you anymore. 5, 6, 7. Start. Right back, left back, right hand up and down. Okay, let's do it once again from the starting. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the famous Bihu of Assam. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try it once again from the starting. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and Bihu. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and pause. If you are a boy, then you can use the steps that use in Bihu by boys. For example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Look at me once again. 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, you need the attitude. So let's try with music. Music please.
গোৰ পতা
সেউজেৰে ভৰা কণী পথাৰ চকুৰে নমনি নেদেখা সিপাৰ মৰমে আৱৰা হিয়াৰে ৰচাৰ কতনো কবিতা দেখিছো তোমাৰ.
Okay, so after that, let's try the next step. Okay, our last position was here down with attitude. Now 5, 6, 7. Start. 1 and 2. So I am doing this with the help of my other hand. Okay, then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? After that, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I am doing it slow because of you so that you can learn it clearly, but it is fast. Okay? So let's try it once again. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then simply turn and you have to jump. Put your hands down. 5, 6, 7 down, legs up. Okay, so don't try the jump without anyone nearby you. So try it with proper guidance. Okay. After that, you have to jump 1 and 2. Jump. Let me show like this. 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Second position down. Hands here and 8. Hands up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Be careful. 5 and 6. Not pancake 5 and 6. Okay. So 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Once again 7 and 8. Now one more task, that is the back roll. So do it with guidance. Without guidance, don't try it at your home. So let me do it. Okay, so try it with guidance. Without guidance, don't do it. I am saying it once again. Okay, after that, and jump. So second position, you have to take this position, move and up, and then with music. So music please.
মরমে আবরা হিয়ারে রোসার কত রূপবিতা দেখিছো তোমার কোনি দিয়ে গীত গানে বাকি দিয়ে খান পালে সেউজি সেউজি সেউজীয়া জীৱনৰে বিৰিখৰ দালে দালে খেলি ফুৰে পক্ষী ফুলে ফলে ফুলে ধৰণী আজি ঘুমনি
So the next part, it is quite critical, but I will try to do the whole part in one flow. Okay? So last position was here. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Then 5, 6. Okay? From here, you have to put your legs together in one flow. After that, Raghav style, which is not so comfortable, but you have to try. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pointed legs and legs up. Then you have to move down. Okay? Then 5, 6. Don't sit. 5, 6. I have a gap here. Then 7 and 8. After that, 1, 2. Turn, which you can do, I know. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then Buala Premor Olokananda, the lovely song, right? So Buala Premor. You have to move down. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1 and 2. Up. 3 and 4. Okay? And then you have to move up. 1 and 2. Okay? Then 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Once again, this is 3, but this is 4. Then down, leg, right leg forward and up. Hold 2 times, 1 and 2. Then right leg up, legs together and legs out. Once again, I am doing. So, Buala Premor Olokananda. After that, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, sorry, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, slide, left slide, right slide, then 7 and 8. After that, move down, hands here, back and clap, back and clap. Try to balance your body, back and clap, back and clap. Okay, so some more countings left out, but I am not going to do this because this is the 5th session of Dance E-Pathshala. So you have to do it yourself and don't forget to send us. Okay, anyways, to do it, the last steps and send us and nothing else.
ফলে ফুলে ধরণী আজ ঘুমনে
লীলা জিয়ায় তুলিলা মুখ জিয়ায় তুলিলা মুখ জিয়ায় তুলিলা এই রিক্ত বুকুতে বাসনা ঢালিলা মোৰ তেজে তেজে খিৰে খিৰে বুৱালা প্ৰেমৰ অলকানন্দ বুৱালা প্ৰেমৰ অলকানন্দ জলি জলি বুৱালা প্ৰেমৰ অলকানন্দ
Join us at graphy.com, powered by An Academy.